Hello people, welcome to part 2 of my trip around Connemara. You're all very welcome to join me, my friends, so stay tuned, stay tuned. Hello moo cow, hello, are you well? Because I am. I'm very well. How are you? Tashay? Oh, this is just great, my friends. It's 8 o'clock in the evening here now. And as you can see, the sun is still there in the west. And it's just shining a beautiful, beautiful glow across the landscape here. And it's just fantastic, fantastic. Look at the stone walls here. Galway is very, very famous for stone walls. You see loads of them, little small fields built with stone walls, or stone wall fields, you know what I mean. Well, it won't be long now before we go into the wilds of Connemara, my friends, right? You won't see many houses at all. Just kind of wilderness. But it's lovely, lovely. So this is where you would come if you wanted to fly out to the Aran Islands. This is Air Aran here. They have a little grass strip out there, and I think they fly British Norman Islanders planes. You know, be short takeoff and landing planes, they're called, propeller planes. And they fly out to the Aran Islands. So yeah, so from here. So it's a fair bit out now from Galway City, along the coast, you know, along Galway Bay, right out there. So I don't know how much it is, just check it online, Air Aran. But this is where they're based, it's right here. Okay, onwards we go again, my friends. See how narrow the road is here? The briars is hitting the car. And we got grass on the roadway, my friends. This is called keeping it country. Just up here on the left is the Irish TV station called Tina G. Sorry. Tina G, isn't it? 4 in there, look. That's all the programmes there are all in Irish. I only passed this man the tractor, I have to pass him again. I shouldn't really be yeah, I should. Can I get by him? I can. Stay there, Mr. Tractor Man, stay there. I'm coming by you right now. And now we're coming into desolation, my friends. It's just amazing landscape over here, amazing landscape. don't think the GoPro is picking this up, my friends, but what I'm looking at here is just spectacular. There's rays of light from the sun coming through the clouds across the mountains, and it's just spectacular. But unfortunately the GoPro is not picking it up properly, I guarantee you that. Have a look at this, my friends. This is just magical. Magical. Look at this. Spectacular. Spectacular, my friends. Spectacular. Oh, this is spectacular, my friends, spectacular. I think it's about 8:30 now at night. As you can see, there's the sun in the west. It's going to head down below that mountain, I'd say, in about 20 minutes to half an hour, I'd say. And it's just casting lovely light. So I'm just going up here a bit around the corner. I know it's dangerous here. There's cars coming to get a picture back that way towards the mountains here. That's what I'm doing, my friends. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Connemara, my friends, check it out. Wild Atlantic Way. Just have to keep stopping, my friends, on this road because of the coming around the corner and there's more spectacular views. You know what I mean? Look at that there. Wow, look at that. And look, I can hear a river stream here. Look. Let's have a look at this. Wow. Is that super cool or what? Welcome to Ireland, my friends. Welcome to Connemara. Spectacular. Oh, this is just super cool, isn't it? Have a look at this kind of water rushing over the rocks again from here, look. See it there? Spectacular. I have to be careful where I'm walking here. It's soggy, wet, marshy land, my friends. Now, it's just pity I wasn't here about an hour ago when there was more light, you know what I mean? I would have got better pictures, but look at this. This is just fantastic.